Thank you so much for watching. If you need this scarf, it is available in different colors. Just mention the color you need and we are here to deliver it to you. If you don't know, this is a jersey scarf. If you want any other scarf apart from jersey scarf, your girl is available to deliver to your doorstep. Yes, that is it. So this is my first time of doing this kind of content. If you are just coming across my video, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you want more tutorial about how to tie scarf, I will definitely do it. Thank you so much. Bye for now.